Hello guys, welcome into my office and welcome into a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you my desk and my office where I work every day, all the details of it, and we are also going to unbox the new Mac Mini M1 chip that is coming in a UPS hopefully soon. So I'm going to show you what I have right now on my office before unboxing the Mac Mini and redonning my entire desk. So we're going to do like a little before and after. So yeah, let me show you. Alright, so that is the door. This is the opening of the area. Now we have my beautiful dog Miko. Say hi, Boodoo! This is my filming setup. Got two umbrella lights, a tripod, and I have a little ring light that I use to film some reels and TikToks. So I have a big window. I have, I think that's a like library kind of furniture that I bought at IKEA. That is the famous Mickey ears wall. Is something that my mom made for me. So I really like it. I bought all those ears at Disney World. Some of them are from Disneyland Paris. And this is my desk. I have a little baby that find a little spot. So here I have my iPad, usually on that corner, and then I always put my phone close. Mouse over here, it's a G Pro or whatever you call it from Logitech. I've got my Bluetooth keyboard from Jilicomb. Yep, I just bought this new screen that is 32 inches and it's a 4K display. So I bought this only because I'm waiting for my Mac Mini. I'm going to put a clip on how my desk was looking before I bought that screen. So now let's moving on. I have my MacBook Pro 2019 13-inch, a couple of adapter here to adapt on the USB-C. That's another screen that I need to use for my email and my HP printer. Got some candle from Bath and Body Works and diffuser here. You got all of my Disney bags. I think that was a cute decor and some pictures of friends. Those are my favorite with the little quote in the light box. And in this little letterboard you have a like and subscribe to Justine Lamer, so do that. Let's opening it up. Alright, so I hope you guys saw a little bit of it because Miko was clearly really interested about what I was doing. But here, the power cable, I'm going to install everything over there. Let me show you. Here is the Mac Mini M1 chip. I think I put another RAM on it. Usually it comes with 8 GB of RAM, but I added another one, so it comes directly from the manufacturer, and I have a 16 GB of RAM right now. So we're going to plug it in, and I can't wait. You also have to know that I just bought a power strips to put on my desk, so I don't have to go underneath and try to find like an outlet for everything I have on this office. It's coming on Friday, so I will have to figure it out now how I want to do this. Okay, so it's going to thunderstorm again because I live in Florida, and in Florida during summer it rains every afternoon. I'm going to turn it on, and this is what I've done so far. So now this is how it looks. So I put it there, I let my Mac on that corner, and I'm going to see how I'm going to use that screen. Let's turn it on and let's see. So we have to go on the other side. So the button is over here. So is it on? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Ooh, hello beautiful. Alright, so that's pretty cool. I put my mouse on the USB there, is already connected, so that is quite awesome. So let me do English. Select your country or region. So my Mac Mini is almost set up. I just need to enter my Apple ID and make my, iCloud Drive and all of that work correctly with it. Then we're going to download all of our software that we need and see how it works, see if it works well. Oh my gosh, I have so much. Thanks God I have my MacBook Pro here, and I'm going to see what I need to download and what I need to take off of my dock, and I have a lot of customized, guys, a lot of customizing to do. So we're going to do this right now. You're going to do it with me. Let's go. Sunshine, and go out and play.
Listen, I wanna be there with you no matter where you go. Life has a table for two, and we're starting the show. Well, I'm gonna spread my wings and fly so high up above the clouds.
Anyways, you guys, so I've downloaded all the Microsoft Office. So I've got Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Note, Outlook. I downloaded Astropad Studio, which is to be able to draw on my iPad while using my computer. I have Avast, Google Chrome. We have Photoshop installed and Illustrator. And here is what I've done on the Mac Mini. So first, Workout Drive over here. And I set up all of my emails, and let me tell you, I have quite a few of emails that I set up over there. So I use Outlook, that's my favorite. I changed the desktop wallpaper. I use the same that I used on my MacBook Pro. I also changed the bar, so I added all of my important software over here. So they didn't find the font, but yeah, it looks so good, guys. It's gonna be amazing. It's going really fast. When I do something, you can see that it doesn't even lag at all. And on my MacBook, that was just not it. Oh my god, I can't tell you guys how happy I am right now. So my Photoshop is supposed to have different setup here. Since I downloaded the new one is different, but what does it says? Oh yeah, I have to download all my fonts obviously from my Mac. But so guys, I guess in about a month or so, once I start really working on the computer, I will update you and telling you, what I think about the M1 chip. Is my computer still as good as right now? Is it lagging? I will let you know how fast it goes, if I had any issue or weird stuff happening when I have two software open. Was it worth it or not? As of right now, yes, totally worth it. I'm in love. Can't tell you more than that. Anyways, we'll keep you posted. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss the update in a month. And until next time, take care. Bye.